Hey there, my name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it is a new release that I cannot wait to share with you about that's coming not this Friday, but next Friday, and I can't wait to share. Stay tuned. I'm glad you're here. If you are new, welcome. I coach women how to write a better story for their lives through the power of scripting. And I can't even wait to share even more video content on how you can get started writing a better story. You'll be so amazed what scripting can do when planning your life and being intentional about what you want. So be looking out for more videos. I also have lots of different playlists already made, videos of how you can get started. So, and if you have already been here for a while, I'm just so glad you are back again. And today I'm gonna be sharing with you my watercolor charms that are releasing for late summer and early fall. I'm excited. Here is just an example before I flip you around, but I have my cute ghost that was part of the artwork for last year is making it in for the charms this year, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to just unpack this and show you a better look, as well as some late late summer cherries. So I'm really excited. So, I know it's towards the end here of, we're in August, but I did the best I could. I mean, this is still fun. You can use these, what I'm gonna share with you, literally all year round. But, so I've got lots of summer drops. I also have my bookmarks also releasing. So those are gonna be like these. Okay, now these are also all of my artwork. So if you are new, I just wanted to share with you just how amazing these really are. I mean, they're very one of a kind because they're my artwork. So we have the daisy, we have coffee, we have these fun new ones. You will see that on the website. They launch not this week, but next week, and I cannot wait to get those into your hands. And of course, you'll have your fall ones just in time for fall. So without further ado, girls, I'm gonna flip you around. I'm gonna show you in detail all of the fun charms that are releasing in our store. Okay, here they all are, and they come in these little bags. So depending on what you purchase, if you're going to be doing a small and a large, or you're going to just do a large or a small, but they are sold separately. So it's fun because whether you like them small or you like them large, and then there's also where some of them women like them on their smaller planners with the smaller charms. So it's just up to you and what you want. So first I'm going to kind of lay out what they are. And so we've got my ladybug here, the cherries, we have the sweet wren. So let me get this out here. And I'm going to unpack these. She's new to the charm arena. This one's new. This is the Open My Eyes Girl, so that I may see your wondrous things from scripture. I've got my lemons. Look at that, how cute that is. I've got my Jeep. I've got my Proverbs 31 girl. Check her out. Oh my gosh. My ghost, like I showed you. Then I've got my surfboard. Look at how cute. Oh my gosh, it turned out so good. And then my cute little girls in white, and the orange girl and the white swimsuit girls. Love them. So let me just show you some of the detail here, and that is that she is, now what it says, summer vibes right on her hat. Look at how cute that, just the artwork really just couldn't be better represented on this charm. And then what's cute is look at the gold, and it says Planner Perfect right there, and it's also the same on the back. And then we have this cute girl. This is out of office, it says. Same thing on the back. Planner Perfect written on the side. So it's just, all of it is just with just attention to detail. Very much so. Very unique, one of a kind, and I know you guys are going to absolutely love it. This is the surfboard. And how cute is that? We needed a large Jeep, and so we got it in. We have a small Jeep, and we were out of that large. Look at how cute. Again, both sides, small and large. You can see them next to each other. So cute, so cute, so cute. Watercolored ladybug and the baby one. And then we've got the cherries, which honestly, I think it's one of my favorites. So cute. Got the wren. Look at how cute. Look at that. So amazing. I just love the gold accents on this. I love the shape of it, especially. I like just how she turned out. I thought that the oval shape for her was so appropriate, and I'm in love with it. And then our cute little ghost, which, I mean, for fall, I would say that what is for fall the most would probably be, in my eyes, I mean, this girl, the wren, this could still, I mean, you know what I mean? All of them can be whatever you want them to be. But I just think that, of course, he's the true release for October. And I love that wren, and the Proverbs 31 with just her colors, I feel like is perfect for fall too. But look at how cute. You just might want to get your hands on these before they sell out. And these can hook on anything. In love. So there you have it, girls. I hope that you loved those. Do let me know what you think down in the comments. You know what? There's also, I wanted to share with you, a large red bird. That's also coming too. Because of the fact that he didn't make it in the large. Or he's just out. But he's also coming too. It's one of our favorites. So, girls, there you go. Everything you need to know about when it debuts will be in the description box down below. Let me know what you think. And until next time.